So get it.
Straight from the red cap too. Still cocky little dude with a confident attitude. Anybody wanna act a fool? Put the strap, tap in your cap. It's a rap for you. I was doing for the altitude that is standing to the concrete of the avenue. When the things with the rain from the glass in my hand, don't shot to your brain like an alley-oop. 2 point for you and it's spits for me. Yeah, I spit hot shit consistently. When I rip, I hit with intensity. Ain't really know where you can position me. I'm just instantly up on base like a system beat. My mind going like a 50 me. I can have all the money in the world in the Bentley key. Still want me shit to me. I'm with the industry. I'm gonna take it to Bagato. I'm trying to get it now. Fresh out of high school, but I got juice. They don't want it bad as I do, and I'm high school. She better just move when we come through. Could be taking no casualties. Hit them up. Do we walk out casually? Rip them up like an untamed savage beast. What? That's the only way to squash the beat, man. That's the only thing I know is street. Only time I feel safe when I'm holding heat. Damn, ain't the way it's supposed to be. But I always got a black cloud over me. And ain't nobody who can soldier me. I got plenty that'll roll with me. And I got the mind frame of an untrained soldier G. Ain't nobody who controlling me. I'm holding me.
Oh!
Yeah. Cool. Kill. Let's go. Let's go.
What's up, y'all? Shout out to old West Bank, the old New Orleans, you heard me? Love it. I took one for the team, guess I owe them that. That's my word and I never go back. Style so free, I never go flat. As I ride with my G's, I never go flat. Long as God got my back, I walk with the Mac. Through the valley of the debt with the eyes in my circle. No squares in there, it's a whirlpool. I don't get caught up in the whirlwind. If time stop, will the world spin? And why do everybody lose when the world win? It's a cruel world, it's not your girlfriend. Like there's no love, there's no trust. Like it's just us, this is life as we made it. Ain't no need to question what this life has created. Claiming you the greatest. Everybody wanna be so famous, but don't know the price they paying just to make it. I can't take it, but I took a break to set the record straight. I tried to wait, but it's heavy when you're great. I took more than I could take. It's lonely at the top, and I was born by myself, so I'm straight. Difference between the real and the fake ain't none. Cause everybody say they real till they day come. I kept it 100 from day one. It must be hard to do that where they from. Like I was 16 with big dreams that I would make it rapping. Thought I could make it happen. Like every day and night I would record and write. But how you supposed to blow when your CD had no promo and the label was out for self? Knew you was about to melt. Hot enough to go platinum before it hit the shelf. Like I thought I could do it all by myself, but that's like a fight for the title without the belt, cuz. Yeah, Illuminati, right?
Yes, sir. Right here on the Petey Paul Chisel.